Money, a universal language we all understand but interpret so differently. The Psychology of Money * by Morgan Housel is a fascinating exploration of how people think about and behave with money. Unlike traditional finance books, this one isn't about spreadsheets, formulas, or investment strategies. It's about understanding the emotions, decisions, and stories that shape our financial lives. The book highlights a critical truth. Managing money isn't just about what you know, it's about how you behave. Housel uses real-world stories and insights to explain how emotions like fear, greed, and envy drive financial decisions more than logic or intelligence. One key idea is that wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you save and the freedom it brings. Housel emphasizes the importance of living below your means and embracing patience. After all, the most successful investors aren't necessarily the smartest, they're the most consistent and disciplined. Housel also redefines success. He argues that the ultimate goal of wealth is freedom, the freedom to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want. Money is a tool to design a life you truly value, not just a scoreboard of material possessions. Another profound lesson is that financial success is about avoiding big mistakes rather than chasing big wins. Housel advises us to prioritize survival, staying in the game long enough to reap the rewards of compounding and learning from experience. Finally, * the Psychology of Money * reminds us that everyone's financial journey is unique. Your relationship with money is shaped by your upbringing, experiences, and values. There's no universal rulebook, only personal priorities that guide your choices. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to manage your money, * the Psychology of Money * offers timeless lessons. It's not just about growing wealth. It's about living a life of purpose and intention. What story do you want your money to tell?